Hola.
Come look at this hot tub.
Yeah, you guys need to see this hot tub. Look at the hot tub. We're going close to it. Say yes, say yes.
That tub though.
Hashtag dip tub. Don't you know?
Dip tug. Dip tug.
Oh. Hate this.
The copyright.
What?
Copyright.
Delta.
Ooh, ooh.
What do you mean by copyright?
Look at it. Look. What do you mean copyright? So. Brandon.
Ready? Oh. Oh. Oh, it's relaxing in here. Maybe a Gagey could come sit beside me. That's $1,000. What?
For all of them.
That's so crazy. If you hate that noise, then please be my guest and just hurt Gage right now. I'm gonna go for a jog around the building. Ready, Gage? You guys are coming with me to the car right now. Yeah.
Hey, you carry that over for me, Brandon?
Say hi. Say hi.
Get the bag. You think you can handle that, Gage? Come on. Look at the sack on him. Here, want to get it, buddy? Don't trip over your shoes.
Yeah, that's all that's gonna happen.
I got it.
I'm taking a video. Say hi.
Fuck off.
Super blunt dad.
Brand. Here's a. Bye, guys.